Not sure why these boxes are so big, but one of them has my new S22 Ultra and the other one is just a simple clear case for the S22 Ultra. Boxes are quite light, I'm not really sure why they're so big. So this thing came in a box this big. I've been using the S22 Ultra for a few days now and I've been really impressed. It's extremely fast, the battery life is amazing, and it comes with an S Pen built in. This phone does everything I expect from a phone. I can send and receive messages through WhatsApp, I can make the odd phone call, I can save credit and debit cards and passes and tickets on Google Pay. It takes a really good picture that I can share on social media and WhatsApp. But the main reason why I bought this phone is how good it captures video. Two of the most viewed videos on this channel were recorded using the phone that I had in my hand at the time. The first one was using a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus on a DJI Osmo gimbal, and the second video I recorded using a OnePlus 7 Pro. And yes, the iPhone 13 Pro probably does a better job than this phone at capturing video. But personally, I like the look of this phone, I like how I can customize it, and everything else about Android over iPhone or iOS. In the rest of this video, you will see raw, unedited footage that I've taken with this S22 Ultra. I've tried to record in different light settings, but mainly in low light settings to see how well this phone does, and a mix of indoor and outdoor filming.
Hey, why are you making bubbles?
Don't make
Gonna make
bubbles.
it taste disgusting.
Ganda, ha? Yak, yak.